Hi. In this video, we will see how easy it is to create a checklist in simpliRP Business Control and Management System. Please note, this feature is available to admin user only. Now, go to Define New Checklist. First we have to select date from which checklist is valid. Then, select the document type. After this, give a checklist name. Enter notes, if any. Then, you can see the newly created checklist is shown on right side. Now, we can create the question and the expected answer. And save. Like this, we can repeat to add more question. Once all questions are entered, confirm the checklist. You can view the consolidated questions against the checklists created.
simpliRP Business Control and Management System is the easiest way to manage your business process management. Thank you.